Good morning everyone. My name is Noel Jason Aparo and akong i-discuss karon ang advantage sa profitability index which is ang time value of money consideration. The PI method accounts for the time value of money by discounting future cash flow back to their present value. This ensures that the cash flow occurring to the different points in time of the comparing currently reflect to the true profitability of the project. This is crucial because the dollar received today is worth more than a million received in the future due to the potential for earning interest or inflation. So, ang ikaduha is relative ranking of project. The PI allows for the direct comparison of the ranking of multiple investment projects based on the relative profitability when faced with a mutually exclusive project where only one can be chosen. The PI helps identify the most attractive option by comparing their efficiently in generating return per dollar investment. Number three is easy interpretation of the communication. The PI is straightforward to interpret and communicate. A PI greater than 1 implies for positive net benefit, while P1 less than 1 suggests optimal investment. This make it easy for decision making to quickly assess the attractive and different project and communicate their finding and stakeholder.
Good morning, everyone. I am Stephen Ray Samson, and I'm here to report the disadvantages of profitability index. So, disadvantages. The profitability index is a valuable tool for evaluating investment projects, but like any metric, it has limitations that should be considered when making decisions. Here are some disadvantages of PI method in decision making. Number one, lack of risk management. The profitability index doesn't explicitly account for risk uncertainty. It assumes that all cash flow projections are accurate and ignores potential risks that could be negatively impact the project's profitability. Sensitivity analysis can partially address this limitation, but it doesn't fully capture any complexities of risk assessment. So, muna siya number one. Then, ang number two is ignoring project scales and risk. The profitability index doesn't consider the scale or size of the project. So number two is ignoring project scales and size. So the profitability index doesn't consider the scale or size of the project. Two projects with similar project index might have vastly different initial investment and return. A larger project with lower profit margins could have a lower profitable profitability index than a smaller project with higher profit margin. Even even if the large project generates more absolutely valued, this can lead to overlooking potentially valuable project that are simply larger in the scale. So ang ikatulong nga disadvantages is sensitivity to discounts rate and changes. So the sensitivity to discount rate changes, the profitability index is sensitive to change in the discount rate. A small adjustment to the investment decision. This sensitivity highlights the importance of carefully selecting the appropriate discount rate and considering the potential impact of the profitability index. Then real life application. Wala to siya. Wala. Nara may ano dato.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Princess Jane P. Fakuma, and I will be discussing about the real-life application of the profitability index. So, one notable real-world example of how businesses can use the profitability index or the PI is in the renewable energy sector, specifically in the evaluation of solar energy projects. So, our example is about the solar energy investment. So, a solar energy company is considering the installation of solar panels on residential rooftops. So, to determine the financial viability of this investment, the company calculates the profitability index by comparing the present value of expected cash flows from energy savings and potential sales of generated electricity against the initial cost. So, ang given is initial investment worth of $1 million, expected cash flow worth of $200,000 over 20-year lifespan and the discount rate of 8%. So, this example illustrates how the profitability index can guide the investment decisions in the renewable energy industry, helping the companies prioritize projects that offer the best returns in relative to their cost. So, mo ni siya ang solution sa ato ang problem. So, to get the profitability index, we need to follow some steps. So step one is we need to calculate the present value of cash flow. So present value is equals the total sum of CF divided by 1 plus R to the power of T, where ang CF mo ni siya ang annual cash flow which is $200,000. R is the discount rate which is katong 8% or 0.08, and T is the year number from 1 to 20. Then ang kaning summation nga nakabutang is ga-indicate ni siya by summing the total present value of each cash flows over the 20 years. So PV annuity is equal CF times 1 minus 1 plus TR to the power of negative n divided by R, where ang CF diri is ang katong annual cash flow nga $200,000, R is 0.08 nga discount rate, and N is ang 20 years. So, next is ato ang i-plug in dayon ang mga values. So, PV annuity is equals to $200,000 times 1 minus 1 plus 0.08 to the power of negative 20 divided by 0.08. So 200,000 times 1 minus 1.08 to the power of negative 20 over 0.08. So first is i-calculate sa nato daan si 1.08 i-times nato siya to the power of negative 20. So iyang answer ana is approximately 0.21455. Then ato din ni siyang i-plug sa formula og balik. So ang PV annuity is equals 200,000 times 1 minus 0.21455, which is katong nakuha na to ganina, i-divide din nato siya sa 0.08. Dayon, ang answer ato niya ay i-minus na nato daan si 1 kay 0.21455. So ang answer dayon sunod is 200,000 times 0.78545 divided by 0.08. So i-divide nato daan si 0.78545 kay 0.08. So ang answer niya is 9.818125. I-times din nato siya kay annual cash flow. So, ang nakuha nga answer is 1,963,625. So, mo ni siya ang present value of the expected cash flow. So, step 2 dayon is makalculate na din nato ang profitability index pinaagi sa formula nga PV cash flows divided by initial investment. So, 1,963,625 i-divide din siya sa atong initial investment nga katong 1 million. Then, ang nakuha din nga answer is 1.96. So, after performing the calculations, ang profitability index is found to be greater than 1, which is 1.96. Therefore, nag-indicate siya nga every dollar nga gina-invest ato nga solar energy is sa project is expected nga mag-generate pod og $1.96 in return. So, kani nga positive profitability index, ginasuggest niya nga ang solar energy is financially viable at ma-justifies pud ang investment nga maka-profit gyud. So, So kadiri is gina-promote lang not only profitability but also contributing to sustainable energy solutions. So for the conclusions, the profitability index method provides a valuable framework for evaluating investment projects and making informed decisions. Its ability to consider the time value of money, rank projects based on relative profitability, and assess risk through sensitivity analysis makes it powerful tool for capital budgeting. So by leveraging mga advantages of the profitability index, businesses can allocate resources effectively, maximize shareholder wealth, and achieve their long term financial goals.